Our cosmic address, starting from Earth. Let's begin our journey through the universe right here on Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, part of the solar system. The Sun, a giant ball of hot gas, is at the center. Earth takes 1 year to orbit the Sun. Beyond the planets are the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, marking the edge of our solar system. The solar system is like our cosmic neighborhood, but there's so much more to explore. Our solar system is just a tiny part of something much bigger. That beach is our galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is home to billions of stars, each with its own planets. Our sun is just one of those stars. We're just getting started on our journey through the universe. The Milky Way is our galactic home. It's a vast spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant pinwheel. On a dark night, you can see it as a faint band of light across the sky. Our galaxy is huge, about 100,000 light-years across. It contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. At its center is a supermassive black hole. The disk is where most stars are, arranged in spiral arms. Our sun is in one of these arms, about halfway from the center. Our galaxy is not standing still, it's rotating. The Milky Way is also moving through space, heading towards Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, they'll collide. Instead, they'll merge into one big galaxy. Some call it Milkomeda. For now, let's continue our journey outward. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. As we zoom out from the Milky Way, we see it's not alone. Together they form the Local Group, a cluster of over 54 galaxies. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the largest. The Local Group spans 10 million light-years. Galaxy clusters are the next step up. They're held together by gravity. The Virgo cluster has over 1,500 galaxies. It's 50 million light-years across. The Coma cluster is a rich cluster with over 1,000 large galaxies. It's 300 million light-years away. Between galaxies is hot gas that glows with X-rays. Galaxies sometimes collide, triggering star formation. Clusters have a lot of dark matter. Clusters are like cosmic cities. To see the largest structures, we need to zoom out further. Section 4. Superclusters. The largest known structures. Superclusters are the largest known structures in the universe. They're clusters of clusters, grouping several galaxy clusters together. Our local group is part of the Laniakea supercluster. Laniakea is about 520 million light-years across. It contains about 100,000 galaxies. The scale is almost impossible to grasp. One of the most famous superclusters is the Shapley supercluster. It's about 650 million light-years away from us. Shapley contains over 8,000 galaxies in at least 25 clusters. Superclusters like Shapley are so big they affect the expansion of the universe. They create great attractors that pull other galaxies towards them. Superclusters form along filaments, like threads in a cosmic web. Between these filaments are vast voids, enormous regions of space with very few galaxies. The largest known void is the Boots void, about 250 million light-years across. The universe is full of extremes, from the densest superclusters to the emptiest voids, and we're about to see how it all fits together. Section 5. The Cosmic Web. A universe of connections. Superclusters, clusters, and galaxies form a vast network called the Cosmic Web. This web stretches across the entire observable universe. It's the largest known structure in existence. The cosmic web looks like a giant sponge or a web of cosmic bubbles. It's made up of filaments, walls, and voids. The filaments of the cosmic web are like cosmic highways. They're long, thin structures made of dark matter. Galaxies and clusters form along these filaments. Some filaments are hundreds of millions of light-years long. They connect superclusters to each other. Where filaments cross, we find the densest regions. These are where the largest galaxy clusters form. Between the filaments are cosmic voids, enormous bubbles of mostly empty space. Voids make up most of the volume of the universe. The cosmic web shows us the large-scale structure of the universe, but it also raises questions about what lies beyond. The journey of discovery never ends. Section 6. Beyond the observable, the great unknown. We've journeyed from Earth to the edge of the observable universe. But what lies beyond? The observable universe is everything we can see from Earth. It's about 93 billion light-years in diameter. The universe could be much bigger, maybe even infinite. We just can't see beyond the observable limit. Light from farther away hasn't had time to reach us yet. Some scientists think there might be other universes beyond ours. This idea is called the multiverse. It suggests our universe is just one of many. These other universes might have different laws of physics. They might look very different from ours. But we have no way to observe them. The multiverse is still just a theory. We don't know if it's true. It's one of the biggest mysteries in science.